In the next 2 minutes, I'm going to tell you how we've created an 84.4 conversion squeeze page and how you can too. Conversion rates like this are no accident. We don't believe in luck. We believe in knowledge and skills. Over the years of running a successful 6-figure online business, we've understood what it takes to build pages like this. And today, we want to share this with you. I want to introduce the most advanced and user-friendly marketing page builder, FunnelKit WordPress plugin. With FunnelKit, you will be able to create lead capture pages, sales pages, webinar pages, thank you, download, upsell, or downsell pages in a matter of minutes. FunnelKit is designed for the marketers by the marketers. We've made the interface so simple that it will become second nature to you in just minutes of using FunnelKit. Behind the simple interface, you will find powerful functions that make FunnelKit the most cutting-edge tool that every professional marketer needs in his arsenal. Locate your visitor and automatically generate a unique, geographically targeted page just for him. Display his city in the background so your visitor feels special and lucky. 10,000 unique visitors? FunnelKit will generate 10,000 unique pages without you having to do anything. Create stunning guru background pages or have a YouTube video in the background. You won't have to settle for boring-looking pages anymore. Everything is point-click easy, and you won't have to touch a single line of code. Customize your page in any way you want. With multiple settings, you specify what you want and how you want your page to look like. The drag-and-drop editor will allow you to bring your vision to life. Make the page look exactly as you want. Creating a stunning page is a matter of dragging and dropping the tools. It was designed for humans, not rocket scientists. Use advanced, unique features to grab the attention of your visitors and instantly convert them to subscribers or buyers. Be ahead of your competitors. Make the most of your traffic. Convert even those guys who want to leave your page. Display an unblockable exit pop-up message that can contain text, image, video, opt-in form, buy now button, or anything else you want. Export and back up your pages or share them with your students, colleagues, or team members. FunnelKit allows you to create, export, and import pages. This makes it a perfect solution for bigger marketing groups. You can create pages for your students so they don't have to, and so they can achieve online success faster. FunnelKit is an all-in-one solution that combines dozens of other marketing tools in one professional interface. It's designed for both guru marketers and absolute beginners. With FunnelKit, we were able to power up our 6-figure online business and create outstanding lead pages that converted as much as 84.4%. Now, it's your turn. Your online business success depends on the tools you use. Don't spend your time trying to figure out difficult technical aspects of your business. Allow FunnelKit to take your business to the next level.